Alright, we're into a new month, November 1st, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 721, coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Barren Submain at milepost 129 with a video lined up for you. We have the S773, 81 of the 31st here, as it's currently making its departure right now. Had the 2834 to lead it, and my next C6M rebuild from the second batch of the 3337 also made the roll by. And we'll also have the rear DPU of the new 3335 that'll bring it up, as this will head on up to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. This is a 102/0 consist as usual, which I'm sure you all understand. For these same loads, they don't go no longer or heavier than that, since 102 loads is enough for these kind of trains. It'll be rolling by the L51981 of the first at Ladysmith Yard. It's on standby, that's ready to go westbound just a little bit here after the S773 clears on the Barren Submain. So what did I say? It's next revenue run here for the C6M rebuilds from the second batch, because those two came up on M35791 of the 30th yesterday. And the quad 3s actually led on that one. And the new 3341 was DPU on that. And here's the rear DPU now of the new 3335 as it nose in. So we'll get ready to open up the throttle and get ready to accelerate away after it gets onto the Superior Submain. We'll have a look at her in that new look, as this was previously built as a -9 before the rebuild at WebTech GE in Fort Worth, Texas. So there she goes with the rear DPU marker on. How cool is that? So that will do it for the S773 81 of the 31st. And then we'll do it for the 2834. The new C6M rebuilds of the 3337 and the new 3335. Amazing. And that is going to do it for this video to begin the new month at West Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I will see you next time. I hope I will see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.